Hi, I'm Joe Aiken from Mr. Sign. We are putting graphics up for the Canadian government and for Come Explore Ontario. They are going to have a week-long party down here in Pittsburgh explaining all the benefits of going to Ontario and visiting. So we are putting on vinyl graphics onto the wall on all the pillars here. And you can get explore, you can get wine, you can dine, and you can play in Ontario. They will also have the Stanley Cup here on Monday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you can come down here and get a picture with it. And this is how you do it. Yeah.